In this video, I will show you how to embed PowerPoint slides to your Shopify store quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Okay, so once we have access to Elfsight and we are all signed up, what we want to do instead of scrolling all the way through these different widgets is just go right to the top. And in here, in this search widgets box, we want to click in and we want to look for file. So just type this in and then we can see the file embed widget. This is the one that we are looking for in order to embed a PowerPoint file to your Shopify store. So we can click into file embed. In here, it's then going to ask us to choose a template. So the one that we want to go for is of course the PowerPoint presentation. So we can select this and then click continue with this template. Once this is selected, in here in the content area, this is where we want to go ahead and upload the file that we would actually like to add here. So we can click on add file and then we have two options. We can upload this via a link or by uploading files from your computer. So click on one of these and then we can browse. And then in here, you would just select the PowerPoint presentation that you would like to upload in here. What we can then do is we can add a widget title as well, just here along the top. So for example, we can call this our prototyping presentation or something else. You could say my presentation or something like this. Once this is added, we can then go down to the layout and we can choose between grid, list and file viewer. This is the one that I recommend because with these other two, it doesn't really get embedded. It just comes up with the download button and there's no way to view it on the site like there is with the file viewer. So that's the layout I would recommend. We can then go down to the file icon and choose if we would like to have this on or off. If you have a preview image uploaded, we can adjust the size right here. With the download settings, you see this download link right here that's going to allow people to download the file. We can choose whether we want this on or off, and we can also choose what this is going to say. So we could say like download here or something like this. Then for the width and height, I wouldn't recommend playing around with this as this is just going to mess up the dimensions. So I recommend keeping this at 1. And then finally, we can go to the appearance. And in here, we can play around with the fonts. So the widget title font, the name font, the download font, and the sizes and all of this. And we can also play around with the colors. So if we want to go in and change the background color, we can do this. We can change the icon color, the name color, the widget title color, everything like this. Now, once you have this all set up and you want to put this on your Shopify store, all we then have to do is click on publish. And the Elfsight will take us over to this screen where we can now choose a plan. Now, the plan I recommend everybody to go for is this free plan right here. This way we can get this on our website for free. We can start driving traffic. We can get people to download this. And then later down the line, if you want access to more widgets or more monthly views, you can upgrade to one of these paid plans anytime. But for now, select the free plan. And once that is selected, Elfsight is going to give us this piece of code that we can use to embed the PowerPoint presentation to our Shopify store. So all we want to do is click on copy code, and then we can go over to our Shopify editor. Inside of the editor, we just want to go to the template area right here and click on add section. And then the section that we want to add is custom liquid. So we can add this right here. And then all we need to do is go to this custom liquid box and paste in the code that we just copied. After a few seconds, just like this, the PowerPoint presentation is now going to be added, and that is how you can embed a PowerPoint presentation to your Shopify store.